Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can make rules for your own server on Discord. It is actually super simple, guys, so make sure you keep watching, drop a like, and now let us get started. Launch Discord on your PC or laptop, log into your account, select your server here on the left-hand side. For obvious reasons, guys, you will need to be the owner of the given server or at least have admin rights to create rules. So what you want to do, guys, is click on your server name here at the top and select server settings from that drop-down menu. After that, head over to enable community here in the left sidebar and click on get started here in the middle. After that, make sure that you enable these two options here, verification email required, as well as scan media content from all members. So select both, click on next here. And after that, set up the basics. For example, you will be given the opportunity to create a rules or guidelines channel in your Discord server, as well as a community update channel. So click on next here. And after that, make sure that you select or tick this option here at the bottom, follow the rules, I agree and understand. And if that's done, click on finish setup here in the bottom right corner. After that, head over to the moderation section here on the left hand side inside your server settings and click on safety setup. Next, select DM and spam protection. Click on edit here to the right and select members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. Of course, only if you want to set it up. So click on that button here to the right. And now you can start or create your first rule by clicking on that get started button below and add a rule here. Give it a name, like for example, be respectful or don't spam, etc., and click on save here. So with that option enabled here, new members on your Discord server will be required to accept these rules before they can send or react to any DMs here in your Discord server. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.